How to draw Ninja Cat from Ninja Battle Cats, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our Ninja Cats, we're going to begin by drawing 3 circles in a row towards the top center of our page. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. Now once we're all done drawing those 3 circles, the next step will be to make an outline around them. The outline will be just a simple rectangular shape. Well done! That's a great start. Next we're going to make the outline of the face by making a big U-like shape that is connected to what we just drew underneath. Next, on the inside of what we just drew, we're going to draw 2 small circles for the eyes. We're going to fill in each one of the eyes completely black. Now let's go right beneath those 2 eyes that we just drew to draw the mouth. For the first step of drawing the mouth, we're going to draw a shape that looks similar to an X that has 2 curves on the end. Then to draw the actual mouth, we're just going to use a simple U-like shape. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Nicely done! Now we're going to make a second big outline around the face. This will go around the outline that we first drew together. Now once we're all done with that step, the next step will be to draw the ears. We'll draw the ears right here on the very top of what we first drew together. Now moving right beneath the face, we're going to draw 4 small feet by using 4 small U-like shapes. 2 feet will be on the left side and 2 feet will be on the right side. Each 2 pairs will both be grouped together. Now last but not least, all we have left to do is to draw the ninja sword on the back of Ninja Cat. This is How to Draw Ninja Cat from Ninja Battle Cats. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I hope your drawing turned out great. Don't forget that next I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. And if you enjoyed today's video and you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe and like. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.